Welcome to Today Breaking News. Here's a highlight of the day. Upcoming jobs report will be big market mover, investment experts. Economists expect U.S. economy added 270,000 new jobs in June. U.S. Bank Wealth Management CIO Eric Freeman argued on Tuesday that the job reports which will be released on Friday will be a big market mover. Freeman explained on Morning with Maria that as we get into the deeper part of the summer, inflation and dwindling savings will continue to weigh on consumers and will prompt more Americans to consider returning to the workforce. Last month, the Labor Department revealed that employers added 390,000 non-farm jobs in May, beating the 328,000 jobs forecast by Refinitiv economists. The Labor Department job report for June will be released on Friday. Economists surveyed by Refinitiv are expecting the Labor Department to say that the U.S. economy added 217,000 new non-farm jobs in June. Friedman stressed that you are still seeing vulnerability with consumers as inflation sits at 40-year high, even though it's starting to ease a little bit at the margin and as people are moving away from having stockpile. According to the most recent data, inflation remained painfully high in May, exacerbating a financial strain for millions of Americans. The Labor Department said last month that Consumer Price Index, a broad measure of the price for everyday goods, including gasoline, grocery and rents, rose 8.6% in May from a year ago. Prices jumped 1% in the one-month period from April. Those figures were both higher than the 8.3% headline figure and 0.71% month again forecast by Refinitiv economists. The data marked the fastest pace of inflation since December 1981. As a result, millions of workers are seeing the largest pay gains in years as companies compete with one another in limited number of employees. Many of those gains have been eroded, however, by the hostage inflation in 40 cases that has pushed the price of everyday necessity. Thank you for subscribing our channel. I see you in the next newsletter.